Campbell?
Bye. Bye, Mom and Daddy.
I like your noodles. See what you can do, Campbell.
You can turn around.
That's Campbell's famous
Bubba
circle
is
trick.
going to prove he's still a master kayaker. No warm-up on this.
When did we last roll?
A couple years ago.
What's on?
3 or 4? Okay.
A couple years ago.
Let's do this.
Here we go. Yeah, that was not good.
How do you do that?
Here we go.
Ready?
Another try. There you go.
How do you do that, Bubba?
Okay, Nana, I got 3 out of 4.
Hey, put your nose close.
Here we go.
Breathe. I don't think she can. You can't get up.
Ready?
Okay, I can't do it.
Well, what do I do? And first time. Now can you come? There's her, Nick.